If you want to learn data visualization properly, not just theory, but real hands-on coding, then this video is for you. In the next 10 minutes, we will build all major Matplotlib charts live, step by step, from scratch. Welcome back to Corporate Connection. Let's start visualizing data using Python and Matplotlib. So open your Google Colab and start coding with me. Today it is going to be a very wonderful session, a visually appealing session since we are doing or using Matplotlib with Python. First, setup plus imports. I am importing Matplotlib's pyplot module as PLT. This is the standard way of using Matplotlib. Next, I import NumPy as NP, which helps us create sample numerical data easily. So let us click the play button. Okay, so this green tick mark shows it is successfully executed. Okay, next up we have line chart. Here I create two NumPy arrays x and y. X represents the input values and y represents the output values. plt.plot draws a line chart connecting these points. plt.title, x label and y label improve readability. plt.show displays the chart. Line charts are mainly used to show trends over time. So now let us click the play button to have a look at the line chart. Okay, so this is the line chart example. So as it is visible here, x is representing the input values and y is representing the output values. So using this plt.plot, I drew a line chart connecting these points. So this is the line that we obtained by connecting all these points. So this is line chart. Next up we have bar chart. Bar charts are used for comparing categories. Here subjects are categorical values and marks are numerical. plt.bar creates vertical bars for each subject. This is very common in student marks and business data. So let us click the play button to have a view at the bar chart. Okay, so this is the obtained bar chart example. As I mentioned, we have categories here. We have subjects as categories here, and those subjects are math, science subjects and English. So using this plt.bar, we created vertical bars for each subject, that is math, science and English. So this is bar chart. Next up, let us move to scatter plot. Scatter plots show the relationship between two variables. Each dot represents one data point. They are very useful for correlation and outlier detection. So let us click the play button to have a look at the scatter plot, and this is the scatter plot that is obtained. As I mentioned earlier, these scatter plots show the relationship between the two variables. So each and every single dot that you see in this graph represents one data point. So this is scatter plot. We have a total of 5 dots. Next up we have pie chart. Pie charts represent parts of a whole. Auto PCT shows percentage values inside the chart. Pie charts are useful for distributions like market share. So let us click on the play button to view the pie chart. So this is auto PCT. This shows the percentage values inside the chart. So as you can clearly see, this pie chart is representing parts of a whole circle. So using that auto PCT, we have shown the percentage values as well inside the chart. So this is a pie chart example. So these are the three parts which make a whole circle of a pie chart. Now next, let us move to histogram. So histograms show how data is distributed across ranges. Bins define how many groups we want. This is commonly used in exam score analysis. So let us click at the play button to view the histogram chart. So bins, as I mentioned earlier, define how many groups we want. Here we have taken bins is equal to 5. So this is the histogram example for this given data. Can you see how data is distributed across ranges from 45 to 50 to 55 to 60 and likewise? So as we considered bins is equal to 5, we have a total of 5 bins here. So 5 groups we wanted and we assigned that number 5 to bins value. So this is histogram. Next up, let us move to box plot. Box plots give statistical summaries. They show median, quartiles and outliers. Box plots are extremely useful in data science. So let us click at the play button to view the box plot. So this figure given here is a box plot example. As I mentioned earlier, this is giving more of like a statistical summary. So from this figure we can also show the median, quartiles and outliers as well. So this is box plot. So next up, let us move to subplots. Subplots allow multiple charts in one figure. Here 2 by 2 means 4 plots. This is useful for dashboards and reports. So let us see how we get this subplot. So let us click the play button. So we have 4 plots here. Let us see how it is shown visually. Alright, so we have multiple charts in just one figure, right? So here 2 by 2 means we have a total of 4 plots. We have line plot, right? And then followed by bar plot, then scatter plot and histogram plot. We have a total of 4 plots in just one figure. So subplots allow multiple charts in just one figure. So this is how subplots work. Next up, let us move to advanced styling. Styling improves clarity and presentation. We can change the color, line style and markers as well. So let us click on the play button to have a look at the advanced styling. So we can say this is more like a customized chart or a line chart, because we have adjusted the color to red, line style with a suitable line style using hyphens, and then markers, we have chosen a circular marker. So we can customize it the way we want. This is only going to improve the clarity and the presentation. So this is the major use or advantage of advanced styling. So in just 10 minutes, we built all major Matplotlib charts hands-on. If you understood this, you are officially ready to visualize the real data sets. Like this video, share it with your friends, subscribe to Corporate Connection. In the next video, we'll visualize real data sets using pandas plus Matplotlib. So, see you in the next one, and happy coding. Before I stop recording, I have an important notice to give. Well, we have started quiz sessions in every video for the last 2 minutes. So, wait until you have a look at the quiz questions before completing. So I have a quick quiz for you. This quiz is based on everything we coded today using Matplotlib. I want you to write your answers and send them to contentcorporateconnexion@gmail.com. Mention your name, college and Matplotlib quiz in the subject line. So let's begin. This is going to be our first question. Which Matplotlib plot is best used to show trends over time? So we have bar chart, scatter plot, line plot and pie chart. Pick your answer and drop them in the email box. And next, second question is, which plot is most suitable to compare marks across different subjects? Line plot, bar chart, histogram, box plot. So pick your answer and again mark in the mail ID. Which Matplotlib function is used to display the chart on screen? plt.plot, plt.draw, plt.show, plt.display. So pick your answer and mark in the mail ID. Which plot helps in finding relationship or correlation between two variables? Pie chart, histogram, scatter plot, bar chart. Pick your answer. Which plot is best to identify outliers and data spread? We have box plot, line plot, bar chart, pie chart. So pick your answer and mark in the mail ID. We have a bonus question. What is the use of plt.subplot in Matplotlib? So this is going to be your bonus question. So send your answers to this mail ID mentioned here, contentcorporateconnexion@gmail.com. Alright, and then the subject line should be Matplotlib hands-on quiz. The top answers will win free AI toolkit and be featured in the next video, and you will also get to attend a free training course, absolutely free, of AI, machine learning and deep learning, all at zero cost to you, sponsored by Corporate Connection. So, and don't forget to subscribe to Corporate Connection. Okay, bye.